Hi guys, this is Brian Puzan, and in this video I will show you how to combine and different objects, the text and the image in one but in different layer. It is to be done by using the application Photoshop. Okay, if you want to create a new layer, just click the button File, then the New here, there, then click the OK button. There. As you can see that guys, in this portion, your layer is locked. But if you want to unlock it, just double click the layer. There. Just click the OK button and your layer is unlocked. If you want to add an image or insert an image, there is some option. Click the file here. Either you want to click the open or the place. But for me, I will use the place. Then I will choose the image I want to place. Then click the place. There guys, our image is placed on the blank portion. But it is not done yet. Okay, if you want to make it big guys, just do what I'm doing now. There, if you are satisfied, then just right click it and click place. There, your image is placed in the blank portion. The next one is by inserting the text. By doing that, just click the T button here, then click it here, then type the words you want to be typed or use. But for me, I will use the word Firefox to have a connection to the image. Okay, now you are combining an image in a text. This is an image guys, but before you produce this image, there are three different kinds of layers here combined to each other to produce this image. Okay, thank you for watching guys, and have a nice day.